Happy 4th of July. I am home. I'll put the video in the video right now of what I did.
Gravity happens.
Only have 3 weeks.
Brandon. What glasses?
There's glasses right there on your bed, you stupid.
Right there?
No, right there.
Right there?
You're blind, Mason.
Where?
You're
Put that like that so I can see.
right there.
Right there. No, I'm putting it at them.
You're blind.
Right here?
Yes.
No, not
Put
these.
them right there. Musically in real life, Candy.
Jeez. It's behind us. Nice. There they go. Freedom.
These are good fireworks.
Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July in my story. Happy 4th of July, guys. There's like, hope you guys are having a great 4th of July.
Oh, like shook the ground. We're in the house watching these because
We can hear them. Like, no, the ground's like shaking at me.
obviously.
Shut up, you're not impressing them.
Backhand.
I didn't get that one.
Oh jeez.
Oh my God.
Guys, that's where.
It's a bird.
It's not the verge.
That's what you always say.
Oh my god. It's crazy.
I have to wait for
That one was
just put that one in. Really, all the good ones are not one in camcording.
one after another, one after another. Well, guys, I'm gonna end my vlog there for today. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more. There's Brett with me. You can't see him. He's so dark.
Thank you.
Just kidding.
Okay,
Yeah.
guys.